Hi, I'm Autumn Wasmuth, an ICP application scientist at PerkinElmer. Today, I will highlight the use of Universal Data Acquisition, or UDA, to provide a full wavelength coverage with minimal impact to analysis time and data storage. UDA is a standard feature on the PerkinElmer Avio 500 ICP OES. Just like taking a trip to the store with your carefully thought out shopping list, our ICP OES performs an analysis based on our carefully thought out list of wavelengths. In the past, it was a big deal if when you returned from the store, a family member all of a sudden remembers an item they needed. But today, with the wonders of online shopping and same-day or two-day delivery, you can get that item without ever making another trip to the store. UDA provides a similar convenience for ICP OES analysis. Instead of having to rerun your samples, simply add the new wavelengths to your method and request the data by reprocessing your sample data. By looking at the method editor in Syngistix, we can see that UDA can be turned off and on by using the radio button in the Options tab. In the method shown here, I selected UDA before analyzing my calibration standards and my samples. Since my analysis was performed with UDA enabled, I can add wavelengths in the Spectrometer tab and reprocess to get semi-quantitative data for the new wavelengths that have been added. If the wavelengths I add to my method are present in my calibration solutions in known amounts, I can obtain quantitative results for these new wavelengths. In the Calibration Units and Concentrations subtab, I add the known amounts of each element. Once reprocessed, we can see that there are calibration curves in the Edit Calibration window and results in the data viewer for the elements that have been added. With UDA enabled, we have access to data for all of the 6,000 wavelengths available, since the data for all of these wavelengths has been saved to the results file for the analysis. To get an idea of how much more data is being saved, I have run an analysis of the same 20 wavelengths, once with UDA enabled and once with UDA disabled. As shown here, the analysis with UDA enabled is only 128 kilobytes larger. That's the same as one low-resolution photograph. And the amount of time per sample for the analysis of 20 wavelengths with UDA versus a method without UDA was only 28 seconds longer. Universal Data Acquisition can provide full wavelength coverage with minimal impact to the analysis time and the hard drive space needed to store the data. Plus, it is provided as a standard feature for the PerkinElmer Avio 500. Thank you for watching.